I'm on a mission to declutter and organize our entire house to support my slow and simple lifestyle. So far, I've tackled the master suite, kids' bathroom, guest bathroom, my youngest daughter's room, and my son's room over the course of the last few months. Today, I'm turning my attention to my teen daughter's room. Isla was a bit hesitant about having her space decluttered and reorganized by me, so I'm focusing on tidying up rather than making big changes. Not only is it important to me to respect her wishes and ensure she feels comfortable in her own room, but she is a fairly organized teenager, so that works out. I'm starting with her closet where she keeps her clothes, a few toys, and some of her artistic hobby supplies. I'm basically just clearing her floor, corralling her stuffed animals into a laundry basket, and most of the rest of her stuff onto her bookshelf. Next, I'm moving on to Isla's cubby shelf, quickly followed by her vanity. She stores some of her art creations and even more hobby supplies on her cubby shelf, and she stores most of her beauty and grooming supplies in her vanity drawers. For both pieces of furniture, I'm just clearing the few things that didn't belong there, like an ankle brace and trash. I'm moving on to Isla's bed area now, starting with the small space in between her vanity and bed, which looked more cluttered than it was because of how narrow a space it is. The clutter under her bed didn't help with the visual aesthetics either. But before I tackle the mess under her bed, I'm clearing off her bed to make it with clean bedding. In my opinion, making the bed and adding fluffed pillows can instantly make any room look and feel more inviting. It's the little details that count, you know? Next, I'm tackling the mess under Isla's bed, which was mostly a hodgepodge of fidget toys, as well as her DIY paper squishies in those beige bins. First, I'm corralling all of her fidget toys into her rope basket, which immediately helped it to feel a lot less cluttered. I didn't even bother digging through the beige bins because I already knew what was in there. Next, I'm grabbing the last thing that was under her bed tray, and relocating it next to her bed so she could have some sort of nightstand. finish off Isla's room tidying session, I'm vacuuming her floor. In the end, I only decluttered some trash and a couple of items that didn't belong in her room at all. And there we have it, a tidier, more organized room without making any drastic changes. It's still very much her space, but now it's just a bit more manageable. And now I'm ready to tackle the next room and the last of the kids' messy spaces, our loft where the kids homeschool. Need to get that set up before the next school year starts. Yep.